Okay, graphical method. So graphical method, there's a problem here from the textbook. Just I will take that. Page number 111. Example number 1. So here they have given data for 7 years, 2003 to 2009. For total 7 years, they have given the data. Okay, for 7 years, they have given data here, and uh, profits they have given. So just I will write that here. Year profit 2003 65, 2004 95, 2005 85, 2006 115, 2007 110, 2008 120, 2009 130. Okay. Now here, how many years total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 years, and the highest value is 130. So lowest value is 65 and the highest value is 130. So let us start with 50, 10 years. We will take here 2003, 2004, 5, 6, 7, 2008 and 2009. Here 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Okay. Now, just as you draw the this one. Okay. Let us solve it. 2003, 65. 2003, 65. Mark here. Then 2004, 95. So 2004, 95. Then 2005, 85. So again decrease here, 85. Then 2006, 115. Then 2007, 110. Next 2008, 120. And 2009, 130. Okay. Then join all the points chronologically. Okay. This is the histogram here. This is the original line of the time series data, and it is called as a histogram. Now, time to draw trend line. Okay. So trend line here, just what trend it is showing, to show that, to know that. So just here roughly we draw. It's not accurate, and just see that both the side equal points of equal number of points will be there when we draw the line, but it is not possible all the time. But see that there should be equal both the sides. So just roughly I draw a line here. So Okay. So this line, dash dash. So in between the points, I have drawn a line, and this is called as a trend line. So this trend line shows here increasing trend. And how we increase this line here? So for 2010, so where it comes? So here we get point, and 150, 160, whatever, that is the future value. So we can predict, but which is not accurate, remember here. So here the line is showing increasing trend. Okay, it is very simple. And remember, graphical method, no direct question. They'll not ask you to draw the graph and show the trend. No. So it is for our reference, but it is used in semi-average method, moving average method, and also straight line or parabolic or even exponential trend. So there also this histogram is used. So after drawing the histogram with help of the trend values what we identify there, for that we draw the trend line. Here graphical method, roughly we draw the trend line. But semi-average method, for those two semi-average values we draw the trend line. In moving average method, for the moving average trend values, for those values we draw the trend line. And in a straight line method or parabolic trend or exponential trend, so whatever value those method gives as a trend values for each year, for those values we give or we draw the trend line here. And remember one thing, straight line trend, the name itself indicates, so where the line is straight. In no situation it take any curve, always it will be a straight line. Okay, now here in this graph, any doubts? Is it easy? Is it easy? Or is there any difficulty here? Okay, then shall we move to semi-average method? Okay, we'll let us go to semi-average method. So semi-average, already I said, where we divide the data in two equal parts. But when the data is even number, we can divide it equally. For example, 10 years data they have given, 5 years, 5 years. 8-year data is given, 4-year, 4-year. Now if 9-year data is given, then so in such a situation we leave middle 1 year, remaining data again 2 dividation we do there. So let us take such example and let us calculate semi average method here. Okay, so in a book again there is a problem. Year 6 in 1000 they have given, year 2002 410, 2003 430, 2004 420, 2005 435, 2006 445, 2007 460, 2008 450, 2009 460 and 2010 480. So they are taken separate problem. Okay. Now here semi-average. So to calculate semi-average, we have to divide the data into two equal parts. And now here, how many years they give? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9-year data they have given. We cannot divide it 4.5, 4.5. So middle one. Take first 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and last 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So middle year left blank. We don't count it. Okay. Now calculate the semi-average for these 4 years. Calculate the average for first 4 years and then for next 4 years. So here 410, 430, 420, 435. 4 years are there. Okay. So the average 410, 420, 430, 435. 5. Okay. So the average divided by 4. 423.7. Seven 423.75. So here the average is 423.75. So add all 4 years, then divide it by the 4. Then next here the total is 1850 divided by 4. 462.5 is the average for the next 4 years here. Okay, again add all 4 years, divide it by 4. Suppose if 3 years are there, then divide it by 3. If 5 years data is there, then divide it by 5. Okay, so you already know how to calculate the average. No much difficulty here. Now the graph. We have to draw the graph for first original data, histogram, then we show these two values. Okay, so the least value is 410 and the highest value is 480 for 9 years. Okay. Okay. Now here let us draw the histogram first. So for the year 2002, 410 Next for year 2003, 430. Next for year 2004, 420. Next for year 2005, 435. Next for 2006, 445. Next for 2007, 460. Next 2008, 450. 2009, 460. And 2010, 480. So let us join them first chronologically. So this is the histogram. Now semi-average. So semi-average, where to show the semi-average? Remember, the average is representing the middle point. So here the middle point lies in between 2003 and 2004. So we have to show this average in between 2003 and 4. And here 2008 and 9. So in between 2008 and 9, we have to show this average. So first year 2003 and 4, 423.75. Approximately we'll take it as a 424. So 420 exactly middle means 425. So just 1 millimeter below that. So that comes here. And the next 462.5, approximately 463. So 460 in between 465. So just 2 millimeter below. So it appears approximately here. Now join these 2 points with help of scale. So and extend the line. So here just I am joining these 2 lines. So this is the histogram line and this is the trend line. So histogram line stops here because till that year we have a data, and whereas the trend line we extended it. So how long we can extend it? That long we can predict the values here. So this is a semi-average method. Okay.